Boom shakalaka, bad news for Bitcoin and Terra Luna. Today's video, we're going to be talking about why it is likely over, and yet will still leave you with a happy ending. Stay tuned. What's up everyone, Randall here from Crypto Love. Today's video, you are not going to like this video. I'll just be upfront with you in the beginning. If you like hopium videos, this isn't one. But that being said, I think if you can adjust your time frame, instead of this year, think 5-10 years in the future, you'll be doing much better off. But in today's video, we do have a lot of stuff to cover. We're talking about Bitcoin, we're talking about Terra Luna, and before we get into it, guys, make sure to like, subscribe, click the notification bell. Come join us over on Twitter at @TheCryptoLove, where every day we share some of the best charts in Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. Push the like button. Let's try and get to 1,000 likes. Now, today, Extreme Fear 12, same as yesterday. We were at 10 the day before that. I'm surprised we're not at 10 or lower today because the overall market down almost 14% today. Bitcoin at $28,653, Ethereum at $2,011, BNB at $257, XRP at 38 cents, Cardano 47 cents, Solana $46, and Dogecoin at 8 cents. And guys, while the markets are tanking, some people are selling, some people are hodling. If you're not selling, or even if you're considering selling, you may want to do what smart money does and borrow against your assets instead of selling them. Right now on Celsius, you can borrow starting at 0.1% APR. Not only that, but if you just transfer crypto to be held with Celsius, you can earn up to 70% APY. And right now, for transferring crypto to Celsius, you can get up to $5,000 in free crypto. So all that being said, definitely worth checking it out. There is a link down in the description. Big news today, Terra Luna crashed. Take a look at this. This is probably, aside from BitConnect, which was clearly a scam, I think this is the worst chart I have ever seen in cryptocurrency. Take a look at this, okay? In the beginning of April, it was trading at $120, okay? Not even 2 months later, trading at, what is it, 50 cents? 50 cents. That's insane. I'm sorry for all of you Terra Luna holders out there. That sucks really bad. Not only that, but their USDT peg has not worked. Terra USD, guess what, 67 cents? Take a look at this. At one point last week, it was down to what, 20 some cents on the dollar, 29 cents on the dollar. That's not a very good peg. And what I think caused a lot of this crash was the Terra Luna Foundation. If we take a look here, they were buying up Bitcoin. Okay, we enjoy Michael Saylor buying Bitcoin because he's never selling. Terra Luna buys Bitcoin and then crashes the entire market as they just sold all of it over the past few days. As a matter of fact, hodlers capitulated in the last 24 hours, which was led by future selling. We can see the future sell-off down here. Hodlers sell off afterwards as the price is coming down. And the Bitcoin liquid supply shock has cliffed. So we can see drop dramatically. Supply shock is a ratio of coins held by hodlers versus non-hodlers. Roughly 84,000 Bitcoin moved away from hodlers. A big contributor was 43,500 Bitcoin moving out of the Luna Foundation wallet. So if you're looking for a scapegoat for this, pretty much Terra Luna and Terra Luna Foundation caused this massive panic and crash. That being said, is it the bottom, or could it get much worse? Me personally, okay, now take this for what you will. I am not a financial genius. I just make YouTube videos, and this isn't financial advice. But me personally, I've been saying when Bitcoin goes below this red line, I turn bearish. And if we take a look here, Bitcoin went below that red line. That means that I am bearish right now. How long? 1 to 2 years, and I'll explain why coming up in a little bit. But right now, Bitcoin has broken every support structure there is. It broke this flag right here about a week ago. It broke the 100 weekly moving average as well. It also broke multi-year support. Look at this, multi-year support. Well, it broke that as well, and it broke what was previously bottom. Right now, forming the golden arches pattern. Okay, those of you who eat McDonald's or who may have to start working there, you can see this is a double bottom right here. It broke that, meaning there's a 97% chance going down to $15,000. Now, will it? No. definitely because we had a double bottom right here. This is a double top pattern. We had a double bottom right here that was supposed to go up, and it didn't. So there's a 3% chance it won't, but there is a 97% chance it will go down there. So that being said, things aren't looking very good for Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies right now. Is this a surprise? Nah, not really. We had some warnings. We had the Plan C confluence floor model we were talking about. We also had this from Nunya Business back at $40,000 saying, hey, likely going down 50% to $20,000. So we knew that stuff was coming. Also, if we take a look at cbbi.info, we're not at the peak. Woohoo! That means you can buy cheap Bitcoin. But if we take a look right here, the last time that Bitcoin was at 24 on the way down, well, guess what? After that, it crashed by about 50%. Okay, it went from 7,000 to 3,000. Not only that, the time before that, when it was 24 on the way down, well, guess what? Price crashed by about 50%. So we could be seeing another 50% price crash. Also back here on the way down, 24, guess what? Crash another 15%. So all of those indicators saying, hey, potentially we may see an even bigger price crash. Which brings me to this, which is pretty darn curious. So William Clemente says, what kind of sorcery is this? And this may be Photoshop because I didn't actually go to this person's Twitter profile and take a look for it. So, do your own research. But this person back in 2021 called May 16th and July 25th. If we go back there to 2021, May 16th and July 25th. So May 16th, bottom right there. July 25th, bottom right there. They called the two bottoms in 2021. Not only that, but they said May 10th and October 28th. If we take a look, May 10th, boom, pretty much bottom. Could they potentially be calling the bottoms? And may we see another bottom in October coming up? Who knows? But over the long run, overall, what I would like to say is, yes, things suck right now. But if we take a look at times when we've previously broken the 100 weekly moving averages blue line, this lasted for 6 months. The time before it lasted for 12 months. This time lasted for about a month. So if you add those three together, that's 1, 6, and 12, which is 19. Divide by 3, roughly 6 months, we could look for whatever's going to happen before the market recovers. Because bear markets, while they suck, and while the markets bleed out, and while cryptocurrencies all go to zero, except for Bitcoin and maybe some super large ones, well, it eventually comes back. Not everything, clearly not everything, but some things do come back. So that being said, that brings me to the little happy ending that I can give you today, is that if we take a look at the Bitcoin Rainbow price chart, guess what? We are in buy territory. Hey, all you guys who at the top at $60,000, $70,000 are saying, man, if Bitcoin was $30,000, I would totally buy it again. That's never going to happen. Guess what? It happened. We are in buy territory. So this is like the best time to accumulate Bitcoin and legit altcoins, because look what happens to some other altcoins that aren't so legit. They were not legit enough. They were not too legit to quit. So I will stop there because I'm definitely too legit to quit. That is all for today's video. Bummer of a market for everybody. Me personally, my general feeling is, yes, the next 6 months are probably going to suck. It's probably going to take a year or two for the market to recover. But when it does, things tend to go up. So that's all for today's episode. If you did enjoy it, make sure to like, subscribe, click the notification bell. If you didn't rage quit halfway through, definitely like. And I will catch you guys later. Love you all. Have a good one. Peace.